The F-150 is a technology forward 21st century truck. With the various technology packages available, you can outfit your F-150 with the latest and greatest tech in the automotive world today. For safety, the F-150 offers technology utilized across the Ford lineup to get the best out of your truck, whether it's your family commuter or your worksite companion. Features like Bliss, the blind spot warning indicator, will warn you via a light in the rearview mirror if a vehicle is traveling in your blind spot or if cross traffic is sensed while you are backing up. As an added courtesy, for those who tow, this feature can also be configured to your specific trailer size in the towing setup feature in the 8-inch productivity screen. Pre-collision assist and the lane keeping system utilize sensors that scan the road ahead for potential collisions and lane drift. The pre-collision system provides warnings and pre-charges the brakes to help you avoid an accident. Respectively, the lane keeping system provides warnings on the steering wheel with vibrations and torque field to get you safely back between the lane markers. Adaptive cruise control with stop and go provides you the ability to set a safe distance to the vehicle traveling in front of you and will keep this distance even through slowdowns and stops. It'll also resume speed at pace once traffic starts moving again, all without you touching the brakes. In the smart connected era that we live in, we get accustomed to modern convenience when communicating, and now these luxuries have made their way into pickup trucks. The Sync 3 infotainment system allows you to use voice commands and keep your hands on the wheel. You can change the station, find landmarks on the nav, change climate controls, and countless other commands. If you choose to use touch features, the system works just as your smartphone, with tap and swipe features. You can also connect your phone to the system for hands-free calls and text, app link that works with specific compatible apps, and even for a mirror display, connect with Apple CarPlay or Android Auto. Sync 3 now also works with Waze for a more familiar navigation experience. And new for this year is Amazon Alexa integration as well. You can fully utilize Alexa on the road for over 50,000 commands such as music, adding to your Amazon cart, and controlling your connected smart home devices, to name a few. If you're on the work site or on a road trip with the family, passengers can access the Ford Connect Wi-Fi hotspot on up to 10 devices and even use them from up to 50 feet away. On your smartphone, with the Ford Pass app, you can lock, unlock, and remotely start your F-150 in addition to checking fuel and oil levels, connect with a Ford rep, and find your nearest dealer for scheduling service amongst a lot of other useful features. Convenience technology is another way the F-150 leads the pack, and it all starts with technology that makes perfect sense and is a wonder it took this long to implement. Like the remote tailgate release. You can softly open your tailgate from afar to make it easier for loading. An integrated tailgate step that makes bed access easier. A side step to make accessing the front of the bed from the side of a truck a breeze. Integrated LED box lights that light up the bed when it's dark out. Class exclusive LED mirror lights that allow you to see around the truck at night. LED trailer hitch lights so you're not hooking up and making a guessing game in the dark. Power retractable running boards to provide ease of entry to the cabin when you need it, and ground clearance when you don't. A factory installed brake controller, trailer sway control, and a Pro Trailer Backup Assist system that takes over counter steer so you can focus on placing your trailer where it needs to go. The Dynamic Hitch Assist on the backup camera gives you a line-of-sight guide directly to your trailer, and the available 360-degree view allows you to see on the sides and front of your truck, which is helpful not only when backing up, but when on the trails or maneuvering tight work sites as well. As you can see, there is a ton of technology that goes into the F-150, making it not just your average truck, but a smarter one that works for you to keep you connected, safe, and efficient. To learn more, please visit our website or test it out in person at Richmond Ford, where we are driven by you. Please take a moment to like, comment, and subscribe.